Ayesha. You won't believe what happened today, Sarah. Sarah. Oh no, good news or bad news? Ayesha. Both. So, the good news first, I finally got the internship I applied for. Sarah. What? That's amazing. I knew you would get it. You totally deserve it, Ayesha. Ayesha. Thanks, girl. I was so nervous, but they really liked my portfolio. I start next Monday. Sarah. That's huge. We need to celebrate. Ice cream and a movie night? Ayesha. Definitely. But here comes the bad news. Sarah. Uh-oh. What happened? Ayesha. My laptop just stopped working this morning, right before I got the email about the internship. Sarah. No way. That's so frustrating. Did you try restarting it? Ayesha. Of course. I even prayed over it, but nothing. And you know how important it is for my internship. Sarah. That's the worst. But don't stress. Maybe we can find a fix. Worst case, you can use mine until you get it repaired. Ayesha. You're the best, Sarah. But enough about me. How was your day? Sarah. Well, I have some good and bad news too. Ayesha. Oh no. Start with the good. Sarah. My brother surprised me with a new phone. I had no idea he was planning this. He said it's a just because gift. Ayesha. What? That's the sweetest thing ever. You totally needed a new phone. Anyway. Sarah. I know. But here comes the bad part. Ayesha. Oh no, what now? Sarah. My cat knocked over my mom's favorite vase. And guess who she's blaming? Ayesha. Let me guess you? Sarah. Yup. Even though I was in my room when it happened. Ayesha. Classic. Moms always think we're responsible for everything. Sarah. Right? I have to replace it now. And it was an expensive one. Ayesha. Don't worry, we'll figure something out. Maybe we can find a similar one online. Sarah. That's a great idea. See, this is why you're my best friend. Ayesha. Always here for you, Sarah. Now, let's go get that ice cream and forget about our troubles for a while. Sarah. Agreed. Life is better with a best friend like you.